Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Seep and welcome back to yet another video on my YouTube channel, which is all about beauty content. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about not just makeup or skincare, but beauty from the inside, which is way more important than just, taking care of your skin by using ingredients or using products that, would work for your skin. That is important too, but it's very important to understand what you're eating as well. Now, to be very honest with you, I don't have a very healthy diet, or I'm somebody who doesn't, exercise regularly. But there's one thing that I have been doing on a very regular basis since, maybe more than 5-6 years or so. And I have green tea every day. And I have this about 3 times a day. It's kind of like I'm addicted to it, but in a healthy way, because green tea, everybody knows it's healthy, right? And I absolutely love trying out different flavors of green tea, different brands of green tea and all of that. And it's just an addiction or a hobby, however you want to say it. Other than that, to be honest with you, green tea is great for weight loss. These different types of teas, or especially green teas, they're very good for weight loss. They're good for your skin. They're good for, building the immunity right now, which everybody needs, right? So yeah, just keeping, and not just because of corona, like even before and after, you should definitely add a green tea in your diet. Because honestly, I'm somebody who doesn't really like milk, because milk tends to give me a bit of acne. I rarely have milk, but I absolutely love green teas. That's when I heard about this brand called The Healthy Company. I will show you all the products in detail. So I've got all of their green tea and all their other stuff. It's so cool. I'm gonna try all of these and I'm gonna show you everything that I got. So they have different flavored teas, which I'm absolutely very excited to try. And of course, I'm gonna make 1 or 2 in front of you and taste, and let's see how it goes. So I'm going to show you all the products as well. To tell you a little about The Healthy Company, so basically it's a brand that makes tea sticks in different flavors. They also have an app which I've not downloaded yet. Now it's up to you if you want to go with their app program and all, wherein they help you with your weight loss journey as well. So the teas over here are a mix of for your weight loss, for your relaxation and all of that. So now let's just get into all the products that I bought and what all each one does and the flavors and all those other details. One very important thing about the brand, it's 100% vegan and vegetarian, which is great. Now let's get into the unboxing. So guys, the first one is this lemon keto booster. So it's basically a keto green tea. This has all these ingredients, just to read a few: Garcinia, cinnamon, black pepper and ginger, which sound very good for the ingredients. And as I said, it's all veg. And they have 7 reusable tea sticks. You can also buy one packet and not just all of them. So this is for metabolism, ketosis and fitness. This is also an FSSAI approved brand, so you don't have to microwave it. I'll show you guys by the end of this video how you make it, and it has 12 months of expiry time. Now it's also mentioned about that app that I was telling you, that they have different plans. You can, for this one, you can go to their keto plan diet. And how to use is all of these. Basically, 1 stick, you dip it, you stir it, you brew it, and 1 stick you can use up to 2 to 3 times as well. Yet again, here all of the other ingredients are mentioned. If you guys want, you can just have a look. And if you want to buy an individual pack, it's for 399 rupees. So that's the first one. Now this is their Get Lean version of the tea, which is peach flavor, has leaf green tea, peach extract, and this is for metabolism and weight management, which is great. This again has 7 reusable tea sticks. Also it's mentioned when to have it. There's no rule as such, but yeah, they've mentioned about it, which is 1 cup before breakfast, lunch and dinner. Which is 1 cup before breakfast, lunch and dinner. To be honest with you, I kind of have it after and not before, but that's completely up to you. Now this is for their weight loss plan, which is to activate it, you have to use this health coach membership worth $999 for free. So if you buy these packets, you will get these membership for a year or something for free. And again, how to use, I will be making one in the end of this video and be showing you guys. Show you from the inside. So these are how the sticks, this is how the sticks are. Open the outer packaging and this is what's gonna come, and you simply have to dip this in hot water and you can reuse it up to two to three times, and it smells, I mean, amazing. Such a natural fragrance it has. The next flavor is lavender. This is the chamomile tea. I absolutely love this flavor. This is 100% leaf tea, chamomile, valerian root, lavender. Now this is for de-stress and sleep quality. Again, 7 is their generic number, and they've again written 1 cup before after. This is for their relax plan, and again same thing, how to use, and these are the other ingredients. They've also mentioned the percentage of all the ingredients, which is great, and this is for $4.99 individually. Another one in the Get Lean family. This is their lean green coffee, which is in the flavor of cinnamon, and this has 100% natural Arabica green coffee, which we've heard so much about, cinnamon, and this is for your metabolism and weight management. Now this is not now these are not sticks, this is basically powder, which is for metabolism, weight management and nutrition. Now this has a different way of using it. So it's basically how you normally make coffee, right? So take 15 grams powder, pour and filter through a sieve, and ready to drink lean green coffee. So that's basically your green coffee for weight loss. This I've never tried before, so I'm very excited to try it out. Next we have immunity tea, which is herbal, and I believe is going to be very important in current scenario. So this is amla, tulsi, turmeric, gilleri and spirulina. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. Now this is for natural immunity, and this comes in sticks form again. This can be very nice to just keep 1 or 2 in your bag and just go along whenever we step out of the house, that is. So again, this is how to make it, and this is for your immunity booster program, and same way how to make it and everything. And these are the ingredient list. Guys, the most magical ingredient in this immunity tea would be spirulina. Just to tell you a little about it. So spirulina is world's most popular supplement, guys, and it is loaded with nutrients and antioxidants. It's very good for your skin because it has anti-aging properties, and it works for high cholesterol as well. And it also reduces blood pressure, and it controls the blood sugar level. So it has many great properties, hence it's great for immunity, and which is why spirulina is one of the best most popular supplements out there. So this is gonna be the most important and definitely my most favorite tea from the pack. Lastly, they have PMS gummies, which I have never ever heard of in my life. It has chasteberry, dong quai, I don't know, vitamin B6 and lemon balm. Alright, so now this is for soothing cramps, deep bloats and relaxant, and has 100% vegan and no gelatin. It has 30 gummies and 75 grams. So it's for relaxation, mood elevation and clear skin. Oh wow. Okay, so these are the nutrients that it has, and it's basically just gummies, which I'll show you guys, and they've also said when to have it, like 3 times a day. And these are the ingredients, and this is for $8.99. Let me show you what these look like from the inside. And they also have a plan for this called health plan. So these are the gummies from the inside, and this is what one gummy looks like. It's really cute, like extremely cute. Like they're like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but they're like heart-shaped gummies. Let me eat one and see what the flavor is like. Right, so let's try a PMS gummy. It looks really cute. Okay, I'm also gonna try one of the teas in front of you guys and show you how to make it and stuff. And okay, little hard to open, which is good actually, because it's nicely sealed and stuff. But I think I might need a scissor for this. They're like these cute heart-shaped gummies, like literally so cute. Now let's pop them. It was really tasty. They're actually very tasty, huh? It's in the flavor Berry Blast. Oh my god, if I have this when I'm actually PMSing, I really feel it's gonna uplift my mood. Like, I'm not kidding. You know, like, it's not very sweet and it's not very not sweet. It's like exact perfect sweetness right in between, which is something that I absolutely love. I feel like having one more. Even though I'm not PMSing. Like, it's really good. You know, like, I personally really like, I'm not a sweet person at all. I don't have a sweet tooth, just naturally I don't, but it's just hardly that I've, you know, crave for sweet. But I really like sweets which are like not too sweet but not like too little sweet as well, like somewhere in between, if you know what I mean. These are perfectly those, like, very, I think I'm not gonna share this with anyone. These are gonna be mine. I might share the rest though. Now anyways, enough drama. I am going to make one of the teas and show you guys how it is, and of course gonna taste one and tell you guys how it is. Alright, so now let's try and make one. So I have a hot cup water and I've taken the one that had opened earlier. So this has, like, you know, these dots which will just infuse it. So I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of minutes, and it's already started to, you know, have that color and stuff. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes and I'm just gonna follow the instructions that I've given. So yeah, so the color has pretty much come. I did wait for about a minute or two, and now I'm just gonna stir it. And if you guys can leave it for longer if you want the flavor to come more strong. I just don't like very strong flavors, so I'm gonna let that be. Also, they said that you can reuse this for about 2 to 3 times, so I'm just gonna keep this back in this that it came, and I'm probably gonna just reuse it a couple of times. So now let's do the taste test. Now this one was the Get Lean one, the lean green tea, which is for, well, weight loss. So let's taste it. It tastes nice. It does have a lot of peach flavor to it, so if you're somebody who likes flavored tea, you're really going to enjoy it. And it's like the flavor is not very strong, but it is there. Like, you can very much tell that this is peach. It's like that. Quite nice. I'm gonna have a lot of fun. Me and my, you know, my family is gonna have a lot of fun enjoying these different flavors of tea. And of course, those PMS gummies are yum. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for having this tea with me. And it's very important to, you know, have a very healthy diet and to you know, include bits and pieces of something healthy in your, you know, daily schedule. So for me, that's definitely green tea, and I'm gonna try these out, different flavors. I'm already like, I couldn't stress more that I'm obsessed with green teas. So yeah, that's about it. And if you're somebody who's into beauty, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I'm all about makeup, skincare and beauty related content. So, and I'm also there on Instagram. This is my handle. You can follow me there as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.